Tech Insights has already in its labs several of the new Xiaomi 15S Pro smartphones with Xiaomi's own X-Ring 01 chipset, and we've started several in-depth analysis, including the deep dive teardown of the new smartphone. Releasing the new Xiaomi 15S Pro only 7 short months after the 15 Pro release, Xiaomi has joined the ranks of Apple and Google by designing smartphones with the company's brand custom chipset. The Xiaomi 15S Pro rear camera system is comprised of 3 cameras. The rear camera system on the 15S Pro does appear to be a partnership this time with Leica Summilux. But like the Xiaomi 15 Pro, the 15S Pro has a 32 megapixel front camera. 32 megapixel front cameras are starting to become more common in flagship smartphones. Tech Insights will have a complete teardown video available on the Tech Insights platform for all registered users in the next few days, which will then be followed up by an exclusive teardown video for our valued subscribers.